Let's look at the key factors behind this surge in the month of May, but particularly after the inauguration on Monday, we saw the market surge more than 5% on Tuesday. So talk to us about this cherry news, or will I say this positive momentum?
Yeah, for me, it's a good news for investors in the Nigerian capital market, and at the same time, for we that are also analysts and also traders in the market, I would say that the month of May in Nigeria has been a kind of a dicey month. But for the last 5 years, we have seen that the month of May have defied sell in May for good 4 years. That means there's a lot of activity that happened in the month of May. Why in a mature market, they say sell in May because they go for summer and all those stuff. But here in Nigeria, where people are going to summer in a mature market, we are in position for the next month. For me, this year, so we have seen that the sell in May also was defied again. Market gained about 6.42 for the month of May. As I likely just said, before the Tinubu statement or speech, the market has been in a kind of a ranging trend. Why? Because we have seen that the insiders, traders, and at the same time, directors and MDs of these big firms are interested in their company, and also they are buying up, and that also impacted the market. The market remained a bit stable in that month of May. Then until the last day, which was on the 30th of on the 29th, where the new president came on board. Then, from the speech, the hope of investors was to. But I would say it is not only that day, right from the day that the parties made their choice who to run for presidency, both the PDP, Labour, and the APC, the three candidates that came on board were pro-market. Everybody was happy in the capital market that this people that has an idea and insight of what it takes to run a business. For that, market has been factoring in their president and whoever that emerge, that there's a way going to affect the market. And luckily, one of them also emerged. And when he spoke, it was in favor of the market. That alone, it was excitement for the market. We saw that last a day to last reading of the month, the market gained 5.23, and that is the history of market. Market just in a few years we have seen that. And also there's a law in the market that what we call a circuit in the market. That when market gain 5%, you close. But that's the market gained 5.23%. The regulators were sleeping. They didn't remember to close the market when they touched the 5% for a day. And that says that everybody was excited.
So the cap was supposed to be 5%, at most 5%.
Yes. But because everybody was excited by the market, whether they're taking champion or we didn't know what happened, that they forget that, there's a law, the guy that this was not more than 5% in any day.
And they could have gotten, more, we could have surpassed that figure, 5.3%.
No, but for me, it's a good one. But the good thing is that the insider dealings supported the market in the month of May. Because we saw when the Otodala and the Tony started then that awakened that awakened a lot of investors in different companies. I need to increase my stake so that anybody that's coming in to know that I'm already here. That really supported the market. With this news of the last 2 days came on board again. And one thing again, investors understand that now that we have seen sell in May that was defied. If you check the history of our market again, for straight 4 years, I think that the month of June has been on negative. That means if sell in May did not work, it now comes to June. And June also being the last month of the last quarter, the last month or the second quarter or the half year, investors always think that, yes, this is the time for us to position for the coming another earnings season for the month of July. For me, there's no cause for alarm. But as a good investor, market is already at the peak, forming a double top. Now, don't chase this market at this time because market is bound to pull back. It's not time for you to chase market. Don't chase market now. Take what you have made in the market and put the market to pull back before you go in again.